I've been flying drones for 2 years in my life, and I have to say that flying drones is not exactly an easy feat. You have to know how to fly the drone perfectly, seamlessly without getting caught, and this is why. The number one drone rule is that we are not allowed to fly over people, so be sure when you're flying a drone that you are not flying over people or crowds. The second option is that you cannot fly anywhere near the airport, you will just get a no-fly zone. And the third option is because you are not able to fly in a private property, thus revealing that private property because it seems as though you're in a way spying on them. Alright, so let me show you a couple of drone shots that I took back when I was droning before the whole COVID pandemic hit, because now I can't fly shit. Alright. Pretty cool stuff, huh? Couple of motions that you can do with drones. The first is a push-in shot. You have the drone stable going forward. And the second option is the pull-out shot. Reverse to the forward shot, you now pull out. And the next, we have a tracking shot from left to right or right to left, like this. And finally, we have one of the most creative movement that I can ever think of, because DJI Mavic Mini doesn't have FPV. You can do something called panning and tracking at the same time. So you pan the camera, at the same time you track it from left to right. So it makes this kind of parallaxing effect. Since I talk a little about FPV, what is FPV? If you have actually seen FPV drones, it's something like this. But unfortunately, I don't have access to that. It's another drone by itself. It's not made by DJI. I don't have access to that. I'm sorry. Alright, with this in mind, these are the easy 4 tips on how do you fly a drone professionally. If you're being hired to fly somewhere, please do know the 3 different rules applies to where you are not able to fly a drone, and fly responsibly. You do not want to get your drone caught, period. Because that will mean a big hefty fine in your way. Alright, with this in mind, thank you so much for watching. My name is Rodric, and I'll catch you in the next episode, okay?